Fantastic human. Hello. If you've ever felt frustrated with handwriting apps that are doing too much while ignoring or worsening your handwriting experience, stick around. Today we're diving into Noteful, the $6 handwriting app that beats Notability and GoodNotes at their own game. When it comes to handwriting, Noteful truly stands out. No other handwriting note-taking app on the iPad can match the depth of features and attention to detail that this app offers. The developers clearly understand that for some of us, handwriting isn't just a way to jot things down. It's a craft, a personal expression, and sometimes even an art form. One of the most impressive aspects of Noteful is the control it gives you over your pen tools. We're not stuck with a handful of generic options. Instead, you can fine-tune how your pen behaves, shaping them into tools that feel uniquely yours. I often find myself torn between the brush and fountain pen. Both are so beautifully implemented that I end up switching back and forth too often than I care to admit. Handwriting in Noteful is a soft, expressive quality that feels precise and elegant. If you really just love handwriting, you must give this app a try. The customization doesn't stop here. Noteful lets you build your own color palettes, not just for pens, but for highlighters too. This means you can create a consistent visual style across your notebooks, whether you prefer muted tones for a minimalist look or vibrant colors to make your notes pop. Then there's the zoom window, which is nothing short of incredible. It supports right to left handwriting, making it accessible for a wide range of languages, and the zoom range itself is astonishingly impressive. You can zoom in 20,000%, giving you the ability to write with microscopic precision. Can't say that about a lot of apps. And if you find a decent level that works perfectly for you, you can lock it in. One of the most exciting features in Noteful is its ability to crop and expand your pages. You can trim away parts of your notebooks or PDFs that you don't need, clearing up clutter and focusing only on what matters. But the real miracle lies in the expansion. Sometimes you don't want to add a brand new page for your notes. You just want to keep writing everything on the same page. Yes, the same page you've already filled. Noteful lets you do exactly that. You can simply add more space around your notes and continue writing, seamlessly extending the canvas without breaking your flow. And you can do this with practically any number of pages. It doesn't affect your whole notebook unless you want it to, which makes the feature incredibly flexible. Even some dedicated PDF editors struggle to handle this properly, so having it built into a handwriting app is simply fantastic. Then there are layers, another reason to love Noteful. You can add an unlimited number of layers to your pages, move items across them, merge them, or show and hide them as you wish. A few other apps play around with layers, but none do it with the same freedom and fluidity you get in Noteful. Here, the layers feel intuitive, frictionless, and limitless. You don't bump into restrictions or awkward workarounds. Beyond features, Noteful stability is one of its greatest strengths. In fact, it's the most stable handwriting app I've tried this year. I never imagined in 2026 that we would ever need to worry about a handwriting app's stability. But here we are. Compare Noteful to the current state of GoodNotes and Notability, and the difference is striking. Both those apps have become increasingly unstable as they chase the dream of becoming super apps. Layering in AI, text processing, and collaboration features. Noteful, by contrast, has stayed grounded. It remains focused on the tradition, simplicity, and beauty of handwritten notes. This focus is part of what makes Noteful so reliable. The developers aren't overcomplicating the app with unnecessary text-based features. They've chosen to perfect the handwriting experience instead of diluting it. When you open Noteful, you don't worry about crashes, lag, or bloated menus. You just write. It's a reminder that sometimes less really is more, and that an app built around a single purpose can outperform bigger names. You can also build your own custom library of digital notebooks and planners. I just have to throw this in there because I love it so much. You don't have to keep importing them every time. Just save them once and they're always a tap away. The user interface is also refreshing. No floating toolbars. They're just distracting, hovering over your pages. Noteful keeps its toolbars slim, anchored, and flexible. Truly a rare treasure, which is a sad reality. Most handwriting apps in 2026 have shifted to subscription models, often locking their best features behind recurring payments. Noteful breaks that mold. You can try it for free before committing, and that trial has become something of a gold standard in the handwriting space after Noteful established that benchmark. Where Noteful really stands apart is that it has no AI at all. In a year where nearly every productivity app is chasing the AI hype, Noteful offers peace and simplicity. If you're tired of being nudged towards AI features that you don't want, you'll love the lack of it thereof. After that $6 purchase, you're done. No AI add-ons, no hidden costs, nothing extra. It's a refreshingly straightforward offer, almost unrealistic in 2026. And one can only hope it lasts. Of course, Noteful isn't perfect. The limitations in the app are nothing to dwell on, but they must be mentioned. It's unavailable on the Mac, so you can only use it on your iPhone and iPad. It lacks a pencil tool, though I've never felt like I'm missing much. The absence of AI might be refreshing for some, but limiting for others. Do you guys like the fact that Noteful has completely ignored AI? Personally, I do. But there was a time I needed some AI features and I was forced to go to Notability. So now I'm not sure if they should completely ignore it. You can't search your handwriting or transcribe audio. Those are useful features, and their absence here might break your current workflow if you really rely heavily on those. With iPadOS 26 making multitasking so annoying, Noteful only offers tabs. An in-app split view would be nice. Automatic backup is limited to Google Drive, which is frustrating if you use OneDrive or iCloud. And the last limitation is that there's no collaboration. If you're working in teams, this is a massive deal breaker. Looking for a handwriting note-taking app that will outperform good notes on every handwriting benchmark in 2026? This is it. You need not care about everything else though. If all you want is handwriting, Noteful delivers. It remains my personal favorite handwriting app, even though I have moved more towards type notes, but I still use it for every handwritten sketch I think of. Lately, it's been great for home design. So, what do you guys think? Can Noteful be the new perfect handwriting app in 2026? Do let me know what you think. And until next time, fantastic human, stay fantastic.